And when you poop, it will jump up and go to the other destination, and some more poop will go, 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 go. And will become big and fall out. Okay, and then the small intestine. Small intestine. Reverse mutual parts. You see it fall. In a small intestine, like very small, like this size. I don't know where it connects. And then I don't know, maybe the food and water come and go to the big intestine. I don't know because I'm not a researcher yet. Okay, I want to show you how to draw an hand with no like that. Okay, first then you do this and this and this and this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? That's just for the starter. Like that.